Hi students, today we are going to learn writing junction. In the last class we learned about grammar junction, punctuation marks, right? And now we are moving to writing junction. Writing junction, see the topic. Notice the various sections of biosketch. We are going to write a biosketch. Okay? What is mean by biosketch? Biosketch means nothing. We are writing about a specific person in a short notes. Okay, see here the main purpose of a biosketch. Take page number 12 in your book B. Okay, the main purpose of biosketch is to give a quick glimpse of a person's character. Glimpse means glance. அதாவது ஒருத்தரை பத்தி ஃபுல்லா பேன்னு சொல்றதை விட it is a quick glance. Okay, short formula. We will study biography, right? In our question answer in detail. Yes, like that. Okay. Person's character and his or her contributions. Remember, a biosketch is not a fact file. Fact file na kada mari eludradhu kedaiyadhu. Instead, it should convey the kind of a person someone is or was. அவங்கள பத்தி ஷார்ட் ஃபார்மா சொல்றது தான் பயோஸ்கெட்ச். ஓகே, சி கைலாஷ் சாஸ்திரி. ஓகே, அவரை பத்தி ஒரு ஃபேக்ட் ஃபைல் எழுதியிருக்காங்க. நம்ம இப்போ பயோஸ்கெட்ச் எப்படி எழுதணும் அப்படிங்கிறத பார்க்க போறோம். ஃபர்ஸ்ட் பாயிண்ட், we want to write biosketch means we want to mention the date of birth, okay, when he was born, and birthplace also. This is biosketch. And then major achievements. Now see here in your book page number 13 there is a biosketch about Dr. Ambedkar. Okay, see, also known means his name, another name of Ambedkar is the name is given is also known. First we want to give also known. Then date of birth and birthplace. First one, date of birth and birthplace means when he was born. See, born on this day, this place. Yes, birth, date of birth and birthplace is given here. Next one, see, birth and death also mentioned here. Died on this day in this place. Yes. Next one, religion. Religion, what religion he is. We are gathering information about one person, so whatever we want to know about that person, we want to make it as a point. Okay, see here, father name, mother name, spouse means his wife name. Okay, and children, his children name, and educational qualification. See the third point, educational qualification. What education he done, where he done that education, like that we want to give. Next one, achievements. See, achievements means what are the achievement he got. He writes some books like that, achievement. Okay, next one, founder or co-founder, which means ஏதாவது ஒரு புதுசா கண்டுபிடிச்சிருக்காங்க, இந்த பில்டிங்கை ஃபவுண்ட் பண்ணது அவங்க தான், இந்த ட்ரஸ்ட்டை ஃபவுண்ட் பண்ணது அவங்க தான், அதை கண்டுபிடிச்சிருது, நிர்வகிக்கிறது, ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஆரம்பிக்கிறது. ஓகே, founder. And awards means what are the awards he got. Yes, so we want to write a famous person. Okay, about using this biosketch. என்னெல்லாம் இருக்கணும், first date of birth or birthplace and death place. Okay, next major achievements, what are the achievements he got, and educational qualification, what he studied, where he studied. Yes, all those things. And profession, what is his profession now, what he is doing, writer or author or playwright. Okay, like that. Next, major contribution, he is a major, he focus on what. If Mahatma Gandhi means we can say he is a freedom fighter. Yes, like that. Next, awards and recognition, what are the achievements, what are the awards he can get, what are the prize he can get, like that. Okay, and your homework is about Mahatma Gandhi. You want to write a biosketch. Biosketch is easy. Birth, death, achievements, qualification, profession, and award What's major contribution? All this you want to write using Mahatma Gandhi. It is very easy, right? From the net or from book you can find and write this. And now we are moving to book C. Okay, book B exercises, book back exercise in the lesson 7 we have completed, and now we are moving to book C. Now take page number 28. See here, vocabulary junction. First one, youth. See, youth. Form abstract nouns from these words. See, youth is a word. Youth means a young man. So it is common noun. So we want to change it into abstract noun. Abstract noun means what? Already we learned. It means abstract noun means we are not able to see, we are not able to touch, we are not able to smell, we are not able to taste. Okay, we are able to only feel. So youth means it is common noun. We are able to see, hear, touch, smell, right? For this we want to write the abstract noun. What is the abstract noun for youth? Youthfulness. First one, youthfulness. Okay, next, second one, creativity. Creativity, we are able to think only, we are not able to see. Okay, think panni panna mudiyum. Okay, next, wise. Wise means wise is changes to as a abstract noun wisdom. Wisdom means knowledge. Okay, next, decent. Decent is changes into decency. Next, fifth one, humble. Humble is changes into humbleness. Okay, next let me move to the next one, page number 29. Words with 2 syllables. In the stress pattern, yes, pronunciation junction, we learn about syllables and how we want to split the word like the syllable. Yes, stress pattern we learn, right? For the first part we want to stress, or second part we want to stress. Yes, like that we learn. Yes, in that disyllabic means 2. Yes, 2 division. See, words with 2 syllables. Noun, how we can give a word noun as a noun? Basket. Yes, so you write basket. Bas, we want to use capital letter, right? Bas. Next, put this and cat. Okay, next, second one. Here, no bliss. No bliss. Okay, these all you want to write in capital letter. You can write, then put the hyphen also. Next one, verb. Verb means avoid. So AVOID, avoid. Okay. Next, enter. So enter. EN you want to put in capital, then hyphen. Before that, apostrophe you want to write. Next, third one, adjective. Adjective means it describes about a noun. So we can give brilliant. 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 Okay. Okay. Next one, complete. Here, complete for exception. Exception means rules la varama except varradhu. Okay va? So complete. Complete. Okay, next one, fourth one, noun. Words that can be used both noun as well as verb. Noun use panni verb use pannadhu. Noun varumbodhu first la varuma, verb varumbodhu vandu second la varum. So we want to write this. So first one, object. 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 Okay. Next, secret. In the if we take it as a noun means it is first. Stress is in first. And if we take it as an exception, in the exception we will write like this, secret. Okay, next one, fifth one, verb. Verb means conduct. We can take a word conduct. In this visit, so we can split the word using hyphen, and a stress pattern should be in front of the word and a capital letter should be used. Okay, these all we want to write in capital. Yes, yes, E. Okay. Okay, now grammar junction. Grammar junction, we learn punctuation marks. Where we want to put comma, where we want to full stop, where we want to put comma, colon and semicolon. 3 punctuation marks we learn, right? Okay, now insert appropriate punctuation marks in a paragraph. Just as the Constitution of India ensures specific rights and freedom to the citizens, comma, okay, it also lists certain duties that we, comma, as citizens, comma, should try to fulfill. First and foremost, comma, the citizens of India should live up to the principles put forth in the Constitution. Next para, we should respect the ethos of the Constitution, comma, the national anthem and the national flag. We should not do anything that might compromise the safety of the country and that of our fellow citizens. We should defend the country. Here one list is going to open, so we want to use semicolon. Okay, so after country you want to give semicolon. And help each other in times of emergency, comma, natural calamities, comma, accidents or military disturbances. We should treat everybody equally. Here also we want to put semicolon. Okay, so we should not discriminate on grounds of race, comma, color, comma, religion, comma, gender or financial status. We should respect the rights and freedom of our fellow citizens and uphold the cultural values that are prohibited by our nation. We should preserve the nation resources, natural resources of the country. Moreover word means we want to give comma, comma. We should have compassion for all life forms. We should develop and advocate the spirit of inquiry. Inquiry after we want to put comma. Next at the last but not the least, we should strive for greater achievements. We want to give semicolon, because both as individuals and as society. Okay, and writing junction, now only I taught and I gave the homework. Yes, about Mahatma Gandhi. Here see Abdul Kalam. About Abdul Kalam, there is the bio sketch. Yes, see, born, died, religion, father, mother, education, profession, organization, achievements, awards, and also known as. Okay, what is his another name or a nickname, like that. Yes, and another thing is comprehension junction. Comprehension junction, already we know about poem comprehension, right? It is comprehension junction, how the good citizen should be in the world. Like that, some rules are given. Okay, you can go through it. What are the rules are given? You want to just read and understand. Then see at the page number 32, there is some questions. For these questions, from this rule, you want to answer the questions. Okay, and self-assessment as usual we can do. If you are able to do means you want to tick in my own, and if you're not able to do with the help of others, only I am able to do means you want to tick with the help. Okay, and your homework is bio sketch about Mahatma Gandhi and comprehension junction. This too is your homework. Okay students, I hope you all understand the topic. Thank you.